walk this morning. We did a total of 4.04 miles. Decided not to walk it again. Grabbed a bite to eat, and we're actually going to go ahead and walk out to the nature center on this trail. Didn't bring the lapel mics. Didn't bring any wind blocks, so might have a little bit of wind on this one here. Let's just take a look at this little marker here. It seemed like last time we went I took the wrong route. Okay. You are here. So if we take that route, we'll go right to the nature center. If we take this route, we'll go over to the overlook. And we'll come back that way. So we'll go this way. It's not a long hike either. Maybe a quarter mile or a little bit over.
Oh, that one that's further out, the one that you and Chase went on. And I'll throw it one day while he was there. That one had.
There's the trail we went down. This is the bluff up here. Kind of makes a circle through there. It's kind of weird, isn't it? There's the trail. Walk up to the overlook anyway. Yeah, that was the sketcy trail we walked down. So when we come out and come back, go to the Jeep, we'll come across this bridge here. We'll work around out and to the left around a meadow area, kind of a swampy area, and then come back up close to where we started. Looks like people are walking down through there and down. We'll go back here and look at this sign. It was not marked well last time we was here. And we went down this route. And it's kind of sketchy coming down this. We're here, so we've got to go down to here. The overlook. Down through there. This is the gravel pit down below us. Looking at us, down, going off to the side here. So this is it. Yeah, and it goes off that direction. The other trail that we saw that broke off, that may come back around this way, yeah. Before you get to the bluff. Good. All right. Let's see how the directions on this one go. Yeah, same thing. So it looks like this is one we just come down here, right there. It looks like you can go up this one here. It looks like it may cut right back into here. No, maybe not, because just see this green trail? It goes right back up into here. Now it does. So that's a different trail altogether. So no, we didn't have any choice but to come down through there. A lot of activities going on.
But we're just trying to keep a number of how many turkeys are there, so we have a turkey salt. Even though we don't have yeah, it's free. It's just because you have your lock and lock.
Did you look down there?
Let's see. Oh, yeah. I was looking for those as I was coming through the woods. Doing good, and you?
How are y'all?
It's a beautiful day outside.
I'm ready to get out and enjoy it. It's such a tease to hear this all day. I want to actually be outside. I'll be out there in there real low.
This bad boy is moving.
You may not tap. You get some water.
Give him a lot of room.
Just gonna crawl way up.
Look for a place to hide. What you can see outside, the different birds. Listen to the sounds of them. Barely hear that one. Cheers. Got some Muriels over there. It's cool. I don't remember seeing those last time I was here. That's not course as I thought it'd be. Hmm. Mm-hmm. We got frogs in here. Oh, interesting. It's like a gummy. I see worms crawling, but I haven't found a frog yet. Yeah. I'm missing them somehow.
Little frog.
They're doing a good job of it.
I saw ripples in the water.
Hmm?
Oh, it's just dripping.
Yeah. But you see those little blue
I see
worms?
those blue worms.
Yeah.
Everybody's full.
Maybe he's escaped. You can't hold me. I figured down in the water somewhere, probably. He's well hidden if he is. I can't see him off the sides anymore. Albino deer. Mm-hmm. See? Yeah, look, right there he is. Uh-huh. Thing is that not all of them are like that. Some of them are like the babies are matched tree dog. Supposed to be a speckled king snake over here. I bet he's burrowed underground into this dirt.
There's over here.
Hmm?
Do they have them glassed? Yeah, they have glassed off. So there's the pygmy.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good ones, but I don't see them in there. So they burrow under.
Yeah, they might be in that.
Yeah.
Oh, he can go. I think that's it right there.
You think he's hidden back there?
He can probably
Yeah.
go through that to the other side.
Might
or
be
he
able
can just
to.
pull in there.
Yeah. Okay. It's a rough green snake. Oh, this ought to be fun to find.
Because they're skinny.
There he is.
Yep.
He does look like a vine, doesn't he? There's two of them. There's one up high and one right there on the ledge. Maybe more than two. That's all I spotted. Yeah, let's see, we've got a eastern garter snake.
Oh, as they hunt, and they snake, of course, the prey, they'll sway back and forth and disguise itself as vegetation swinging in the wind.
Makes sense.
They eat caterpillars, grasshoppers, dragonflies.
So, these guys here know what they do.
I haven't spotted the garter snake yet.
These guys here are predators.
This one is,
5 6. Check them out. Little lizard. Hey, what are you staring at? Yeah, slider.
Garter snake, find him.
I didn't find a garter snake. I found a lizard though.
So, one thing about the gar in Arkansas is home to ordinary gar species. You know, when we think of birds, you think of things like the tufted red mouse or the Carolina chickadee, they really didn't think too hard naming the gar. So, these are goldfish, and this is their favorite
spot,
snacks. But this guy here, the really short nose, well, that's our short nose gar. This guy here, the really long nose, that's our long nose gar. This guy with all the spots, that's our spotted gar. And the big guy survive in really bad water conditions because they're able to come up to the surface. They have lungs similar to ours. They can process that oxygen, so they're not as reliant on their gills or that sort of lung system as other fish. But y'all will see, they're not able to chew these goldfish. They're going to hold them until the goldfish quit resisting or putting up a fight. They're going to wiggle that fish around until it kind of gets in line with their mouth. They've got a lot of loose skin underneath their jaws, and they'll be able to just swallow that goldfish right down. What do the turtles eat? Well, we got special turtle food just for them. All the turtles that you've seen in this tank are aquatic turtles, so we got a really special food that floats on the water. We feed our turtles tomorrow at 3:30 if everyone wants that. We feed our venomous snakes Thursday at 3:30. Friday we feed these guys again, and Saturday we feed our alligators. So we've always got something being fed at 3:30 every day. Yeah. Okay.
Here and go out and walk around. Somewhere we ought to be able to break off and go up that other trail too. Oh, here you go, Paula. Hey, bud. So we got an owl back in there. He's dark gray. He's big. And then comes back in over there. here. We're gonna go straight out and go around the outside of this trail back to the parking lot. And they do have gardens up here where they grow flowers and things like that. The different flowers and things that you find in this area of the state of Arkansas. Out by the parking lot. Of course, they're not active right now. It's still too early. And right up on top of that bluff over there used to be a huge tower. I would say probably 20 by 20 and 3 levels high, if I remember right. Now they just got a guardrail up there protecting it. Got a bit of a climb. So this is where the tower was.
Sad, but it was shaky last night.
Yeah, that's where we started from, right straight over there. And the building off to the right with a little bit of brown tower to it, that's Nature Center. And this is paved trail all the way back up to the Jeep. It's pretty much for the handicapped to get down here for the overlook.
Handicap accessible.
Yeah.
Walkway. I don't remember.
Yeah, you can take that trail back too.
This one go back to the parking lot.
Yeah, you're right here. Okay. Yeah, this one goes back to the Nature Center. Or you can cut across and go up
Oh, that's true.
that route.
This one do this one.
Ravensburg. Yeah, let's just stay on the pay trail. I'm good. This is where we saw, on this trail is where we saw that weird looking thing off to the right. Looked like a ghost.
Oh, yes. Hanging in the trees.
Yeah. That was strange.
It was.
Ghost-like figure.
I forgot about that.
I hadn't. That's burned in my mind. This trail, according to the map from the overlook back to the Jeep, is 1 mile. Just winding through. Across there's a barbed wire fence. That's going to be private property on the other side. Temporary life support. Ephemeral pools. Temporary waters are common on Crowley's Ridge. These pools, they have a single wet phase. Doesn't look like that one's used a whole lot. Bike trail. Yeah. You are here. Bike trail comes on through. Almost there. This is our walk today. Got 15,039 steps, 6.2 miles. Not bad. 9 9 hours of sleep. We didn't get up till about 9:30 this morning.